In today's class, we are going to learn division fact. Okay, today we are going to learn division fact. Till that we had learned what is equal sharing. Equal sharing means dividing one part into equal part. My voice is clear? Yes. So equal sharing means sharing one part. For example, if you got 10 pencils, you want to divide it to 5 students, means how to divide, how to give equal share to all. That is what we are going to learn in division. And in today's class, division fact. Division fact means using multiplication we are going to learn division fact. You know tables, right? In each table you can able to find division fact. How we are getting. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division both are connected. There is some link will be there. So just listen. So how to see, how to find, why we are having this division fact and what is the use of this. You can get the answers easily when you are doing the division sum. If you know this fact, you will get the answers easily. So you will get the answer. So I am going to teach second table. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. First for these two I will teach you how to get the division fact. Yes, I said division symbol is this. This is called division symbol. This is the sign of division. Those who are not listen the last class, listen this. This is the division symbol. If you want to divide a group, 1 second. So here we are having, those who are not listen last class, you just take a moment, just listen. So here we are having 6 flowers. We have to give the 6 flowers to 3 persons. So how many groups we have to form? 3 groups. 3 groups we have to form. We have to divide it into 3 means we have to form 3 groups. The meaning is we have to form 3 groups. So 6 flowers are there. So you start giving each flower in one box. So 1, 2, 3. So now all the 3 groups got one flower each. So 6 totally we are having 6. From that we gave 3. Again we are having one more 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Then 4. Devesh, listen the class. Next 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. Write the 6 flowers. We made 3 groups. So how to write the division sum using this? So totally how much we are having, that we have to write in the first box. Next we have to use the division symbol here. How much groups we are making from the total number. Then in each group how much we give. Is it clear? So first total number of flowers. Total number of flowers is 6. So in the first box we should write that 6. Yes, next how much groups we formed? 3 groups. We divide this 6 into 3. 3 groups. That's what we are telling. 3 groups. So divided by 3. Yes, is it clear? So when you are dividing 6 by 3, how to read this 6 divided by 3? When you are reading the sum, you should not say 6 divide 3 like that and all. 6 divided by 3, right? Then the answer is in each group. You no need to count all the group because we shared it into equal parts, right? So all the group will have the same number only. So 1 2 1 2 1 2. So totally in each group we are having the same number is 2 flowers. So the answer is 2. We have to write it in this way. This is what I taught in last class. If you are having 10, depends on the group, you will get different numbers in each box. Yes, next. Next one is, now we are going to see division fact. So with two table, I am going to teach you the division fact. Here, you take this answer. You take this answer. So the answer in all the table, if I am asking you to write a division fact for 3, division fact for 4, you write that particular table and get the answer. Each one will get 2 fact. How much fact? 2 fact. This one first fact I am telling now. You have to take the answer. So the answer is 2. For this only we are going to write the fact. So first take the 2. Yes, take the 2. Then use the division symbol. First take the answer. In answer here also we are having 2. You don't consider the 2. You have to take the answer. In answer we are having 2, that 2, right? That 2 only you have to take. 2 divided by this one more number. The first number you take. This number answer and the first number. 2 divided by 2 equal to, if you are dividing 2 by 2, you are having 2 chocolates. Yes, you are having 2 chocolates. You want to give this to 2 persons. So each one will get how much chocolates? Tell me the answer. Yes. 1. So the answer is 1. Very good. Second, next fact. You have to take the answer. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. Then use the division symbol. See, first we took the 2, right? Next you take this 1. 1 is equal to 2 divided by 1. So when you are having total number of things is this is how much groups. So you are having two chocolates. You want to give to one person, so that one person will get how much chocolate? Two chocolates. So you listen these two carefully. You listen these two carefully. You will have only these combination of numbers. 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So you will not get any other number. So here we are having 2 2s are 4. So when you are writing the fact like this, you will get only this combination of number. You will not get any other 5, 6 and all. You will get only these number. You should know how to write this. Next, 2 2s are 4. So first fact. One second, one second. One second, ma. Is it clear now? Wait, Radha. Is it coming black? Black means some network issue. One second, wait. Now is it clear? Send it in chat. Is it clear now? Okay, da. If it is blur, na, it's a different. It's my camera mistake or something. If it is fully black, then there is no network coverage. Okay, now second one is 2 2s are 4. When you are writing the fact like this, you will get only combination of these numbers, right? So what I said, take the answer. Take the answer. So here the answer is 4, right? 4 divided by, yes, 4 divided by what I said, 4. The answer you take and take the first number. I said no. So here both are same, so no issues. 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. So you itself say, send the answer in chat. So if you are dividing the 4, you think 4 pencils are there, 2 children are there, 2 groups, na, 2 children, 2 ball, 2 bag, anything you keep. 2 pencil, 2 bag is there. You want to put the 4 pencil equally to the 2 bag. So each bag will get how much pencil? Send it in chat. Very good. So each bag will get 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Right? Next take the because here again we are having 2, the same fact only you will get. The 4 divided by 2 will gives you the same 2. So here for the two options same. Next, 2 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Next, 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. So how to write the fact for this? The answer you have to take, the answer is 6. Take the first number after division symbol. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. When you are dividing the 6 into 2. So you can take yes. So 6 divided by 2. 2 means 2 group. So each group will get how much stars? 6 stars are there. When you are dividing the 6 stars, each group will get 3 stars. Very good. So each group will get 3 stars. So how to write the fact for this? The total number 6 divided by division symbol. After that, how much groups? Here we are having 2 groups. So write 2. Then in each group how much we are having? Here also 3, here also 3. So the answer is 3. So 6 divided by 2 will give 3. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So if you are doing in that way, or you can use this way, only these combination of number you will get, isn't it? 2 3 6 only is here. So in here also we are having 2 2 3, that's 6. Any other number we are having, we will not get any other number. So you can check the sum using this multiplication also. Next, take the 6 division symbol. Next number is 3. When you are dividing the 6 into 3, already I said with that flower, what we got? 6 divided by 3 na 3 groups. 6 we are dividing into 3 groups, so each group will get 2 2. So the answer is 2. So you will not get any doubt when you are doing the division sum. You can say the multiplication also, you will get the answer. Next, 2 fours are 8. You take the 2 fours are 8. Take the answer. Use division symbol. Yes. Next, take the first number. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 will gives you, if you just imagine 8 things and you divide it into 2 groups. 8 star we have to divide into 2 group. So each group will get how much stars? Send it in chat. Very good. You will get 4. One second. So 8 stars. 8 stars. You have to divide this 8 star into how much groups? 2 groups. So divided by 2. The 2 groups is for 2. So first you have to write the 8. Then division symbol. 8 divided by 2 equal to. So you start sharing the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all we completed. And also the number of stars in each group is equal. So how much is the number of stars? 4. 4. So the answer is 4. So 8 divided by 2 will give 4. When you are having the division sum, if you know this fact means you can clear your doubts. If you are having any doubt means you just say the number, you say the tables, with that itself you can get some clarification. So division fact for the second table, this is division fact for second table, this is. So division fact for 3 is your homework today. Division fact for third table, that you have to, if you don't know the answer means you draw how much the total number of stars you draw. You think you have take it as a star or flower or anything you imagine, and take it as one group and divide it. The second number is your count, how much groups. So according to that you divide the group and count the number of things in each box. You write the answer, you will get the answer. 8 divided by 2, I said only these combination of numbers will come. So 8 came, 2 came, so the answer is 4. Next 8 divided by second number 4. So we took 8, 4. Sorry. We took 8 and 4. So the remaining is 2. So 2 is the answer. If you are having any doubt, you can draw the number of stars and you can divide it into group. Then also you will get the same answer. Is there any doubt in this? Is there any doubt, ma, in this? One second.